Hey guys, this is Tim with Ethos introducing our brand new product, Defy. It's our wash and coat, which means you can clean and protect your car in one step. We designed this to work on any surface. We designed it to work on the glass. It cleans it without streaking and leaves a completely protected and hydrophobic finish behind. And this product also works really well on paint. All you have to do is spray it on, and with a microfiber towel, just lightly buff off the residue. Flip it over and quick buff it to a very high shine, and you have a ultra water repellent coating left behind. Now the coolest part of the Defy is our Insta-Bond technology. You can see the second you spray it, it beads up and starts repelling itself. That is the ceramic Insta-Bond going to work and instantly leaving behind a slick hydrophobic coating.